Soulja Boy is about to be fucking jealous, yo. Chuchi, it's Gucci. Prado or nada, mommy. Prado or nada. I always think about that. Alright, so this is just a bag I got from the store. I'm drinking one of these V8 Energy Splashes. Really good as fuck. Up late night doing videos. Alright, so Gucci bag. You seen this bag. It's funny because I guess it's an accessory bag. It's small. This is the receipt. I'll let you guys know the price. Boom. Gucci box. What's in here? It's like, no. But this is a really cool one though. This is a really cool set. So of course we got some papers. We got a sticker. And then we have... Okay, I'm really excited about this because when I seen it on a mannequin, I'm like, wait, hold up. Okay, first of all, I've never seen this color before. Like when I pop this out, when I pop out with these, y'all was talking all of these, but when I pop up with these, yeah. Yo, Soulja Boy is about to be fucking jealous, yo. Soulja Boy need to be fucking jealous. Like, yo, I'm not even gonna wait no longer just to show y'all the shit. And first off, can I say, like, this one is a much better fit than any of the other ones that I own. Where the white one or the cream one with the signature red and green insignia. So even though headbands ain't really my thing, I think I might, when I wear this, I think I might get some braids because I feel like it'd be like a vibe. But then I'm gonna be mad if I get the braids and I don't like it. But mind you, it's like a, well, this one not really winterish because the way they do it is more like a sweatband and like how the Fendi one I showed you. But what really makes this collection special is the cuffs. So it just give you that like early 2000s Dipset basketball vibes. So you know when I wear this, I'm gonna have my Rolex on one arm and this on the other arm. But wait, there's more. I need to add a dope ass special effect. Then, oh, by the way, this is a size medium, and I believe the first one was a size medium, but I feel like this is an actual size medium because the last one hurt my fucking head. This one is kind of a lot more comfortable. It's still sharp at the end, but other than that, it's not too bad. Y'all know I like headbands because I feel like they cover my entire forehead. They're great for when you don't have a haircut, and I mean they add a little extra flair. And mind you, they match my shoes, but what really makes this special is this little band right here. Like, to me, this is like having a Gucci watch. This is like, oh my God. And I know shit like this isn't supposed to make people this happy, but it's just such a vibe. And I was thinking about wearing it with like this Alexander Wang jersey and these Alexander Wang shorts, but I just didn't want to overdo it. So I might just wear all white. I don't want to like simplify either. I just don't know. But I am going to wear the Gucci shoes that kind of really correlate well with this. I can show you in a second. Like if this, only thing that would make this better is that if this was 3M. Let me see. I got to check now. If this is 3M, that's going to be wild. Let's see. I doubt it is because I don't know if they're that hit, but let me see. I can't tell if it's 3M or it's just white. See, it kind of pops up like 3M. Let me see. You can always tell with the flash on. It's not 3M, it's just white, but it would have been really cool if it was 3M. But I really actually don't like headbands that much because it's just like I got really long hair and I feel like headbands only make it look like long. Like that. So anybody who watch my videos probably think like, yo, this nigga's a real life psychopath. Let me go get the shoes because I want to show you how well they match. Give me 1 second. Alright, so before I show you guys the shoes or whatever, I wanted you guys to know that this Silk A, I don't know where it's Silk at. Riddle me. It should have been Silk line on the inside, but whatever the case is, the total was $350. The total amount was $350. With sales tax, it came to $371. Honestly, I should return this for my $371. I don't really need it. Here's the receipt. In between fucking takes, I be listening to music and it's so annoying that I can't listen to music while I play videos. Cause it's like, I want y'all to get my full vibe. But demonetization. It's funny how demon is in demonetization. YouTube theory. Go. Alright, so of course you've seen these a couple of times by me, but do you see the correlation? Do you see the correlation? Do you see the blue that I see, even though they're not the same? Do you see how I mix in the red and then the blue, and then you see how this has the light gray strip right there? It has that light gray strip right there, and it just goes, you know? But other than that, mind you, my hair cut be just all over the place. Just to show you a little bit of the detailing on the inside. Ew, what is that? Is it some secret message? I need to stop that. So of course you got the Gucci tag right there, and then as I stated in my last video, like, why do we have all these tags right here? So it says medium, then it says Gucci, made in Italy. Sure it is. And then it has all these other tags in the inside. And then ironically, this one also says an inside Gucci. So I mean, I don't know, it's just such a vibe, yo. Like, I love like small little things like this. Like, I know I sound crazy, yo, but like the idea that I could like probably like pass this one to my kids, or like one day my kids might be having like a, you know, like it might have like a 90s week at school or early 2000s week at school, and like that, I want to look like Cameron and Dipset. Well, specifically, yeah, I mean, you know, your kids don't really think you that cool, and I'm probably like Cameron with the pink and shit. So my son will be like, Big Don, because that's gonna be it. That's what I'm calling him. Like, Big Don. I'll be like, what's up, Lil Don? And he gonna be like, so for my spirit week, we doing it's an early 2000. Why does my son have an accent? I don't know. So we're doing an early 2000s theme. Dad, like, you got anything cool from like around that time? Even though you old as fuck now. I'm like, boy, I'm 27. I'm gonna be 27 forever. I'm not 27 yet though. I'm be like, sure. I mean, what was you going for? He be like, I'm trying to go for the Dipset look. Johal specifically. I know you be on that. You was on that pink shit when you was young, but I'm on that red and white blue shit because my son will be able to cuss. And I'm be like, got you, Lil Don. Where did I get an accent from? And then he gonna be like, oh damn, you got red, white, and blue Gucci shit like that with a jersey? What accent is this? And I'll be like, yeah, son, you know I got you, son. I got the red, white, and blue fucking Gucci goo. You know, the drip set, you know, the drip set 3000, you know, like, I mean, who died got shit like this? I'm gonna be the coolest dad ever. So really, I'm investing in my son's future, because he gonna be getting all the young mommies with this right here. Like, how could you resist a nigga in Gucci when it's like this? So, you know, I really just love like dope accessories, you know what I'm saying? Like, everybody got a headband, but I feel like this is like next level. Like, I don't know why. Unless the headband wave is over and young Soulja killed it. Okay, maybe because it's late, or maybe because that was a joke. It really was a joke. Yo, really, yo, it really was a joke. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to put this together for real, cause you know, I be trying to match my little sister on her birthday for real. Yo, what is up with all these accents? I'm gonna try to match my younger sister on her birthday. I know she's wearing off-white heels. They are sandal. They have a clear PVC on them. They have a black and white insole, like he uses often. Like the tag right here, they have a black and white insole, and then the heel is blue, and then the tag around it is red, like the tag that he has on most of the things. But instead of being plastic, it's leather. That's beyond me. Actually, it's above me now. It's above me. I apologize too, but it's above me. It's above me. Sorry, let me stop the y'all. But yeah, guys. So as this video comes to a close, if you would like to see what I wear with this, check me out on Instagram. On Insta, you can follow me at CurtisDonDeano, and be sure, if you haven't liked this video yet, go ahead and like it for all the accents that I've done already. And if you're annoyed by the accents, I'm not trying to get demonetized. But whatever the case is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for tuning into my channel once again. I hope you enjoyed this content. A lot of things I do, a lot of things I buy, I instantly think like, don't want that. I'm gonna review it for YouTube, and then it instantly becomes a purchase. So I hope you guys know that I really do keep you guys in mind. This isn't just a way for me to just like show off nice stuff. When I say it, it makes it seem like it is. Whatever the case is, honestly, I hope you guys enjoy it. Stay tuned. I have a lot of content right now. I'm like banging, shorty. My YouTube booming, my shit banging. Anyway, stay untouchable. Godspeed.